From the beginning of our existence, we've always brought the latest technology to the retail space. The hallmark we brought to the industry was a live POS environment. By doing that, we allowed small to mid-sized retailers to have all stores connected at once, seeing live inventory.
Our focus was on building a great application and eventually more applications to help retailers build their businesses. And we've always tried to stay at the forefront from a technology standpoint and at the same time keeping an eye on what our clients need.
There's just so many different features, and what I really like is that it's scalable. So as we grow into our next location, we already have the basis established of this great system that we're going to be using there with, another staff of 35 and another 10,000 customers.
Live inventory, a single database, and higher-end technology is going to allow small retailers and mid-sized retailers to really leapfrog over some of the larger, clunky retailers that are slow to change and slow to adapt. And we've been successful at doing that with many of these retailers as we've seen them grow from 2, 3, 4 stores to 40, 50, 60 stores, all leveraging this live technology.
As a retailer, you're always trying to find how are we going to succeed in this crazy, changing, Amazon-dominated world? Our feeling was, rather than trying to beat them, we'd rather join them. We were looking for a system that was appropriate for a small business like ours, but had the sophistication to handle all the different channels, and that's pretty hard to find. I don't think we had a lot of other options because Celerant does it better than anybody else that I found.
It does everything that we need done right now, and they're out in front of us moving in the direction that I see, major retail across America going, and they're aware of those things and moving in those directions.
Celerant's mission is to promote business growth through technology and innovation. And if we can give them efficiencies that cost less, then we fulfilled our mission.